Stop scrolling for a second because this one idea can decide your future. Right now, two people are living very different lives. Not because of luck, not because of money, not because of talent, but because of one habit. One person is learning every day, the other is not. And that single difference becomes huge over time. That habit is called self education. Self education means teaching yourself. No teacher, no classroom, no permission. And once you use this power, life stops controlling you. You start controlling your life. Most people think learning ends after school. They believe, I finished school, now I work, that's it. But the world laughs at that idea because the world keeps changing. New technology comes, old jobs disappear, new skills become important. If you stop learning, you fall behind quietly, not in one day, not in one month, but slowly until one day you realize you are stuck. Self education saves you from that future. Here's something important. School teaches you what to think, self education teaches you how to think. And knowing how to think is more powerful than any degree. Because real life does not give you answers. Real life gives you problems, and self educated people solve problems. Let me ask you a simple question. How many hours a day do you spend on your phone? Now, another question. How many of those hours make your future better? This is uncomfortable, but it is honest. You're learning every day from videos, from social media, from music, from habits. If you do not choose what you learn, the world chooses for you. And the world chooses entertainment, not growth. That is why most people stay average. Self education is the moment you say, I will decide what enters my mind. That decision alone puts you ahead of most people. But here's the problem. Self education is uncomfortable, no teacher pushing you, no exams, no one checking your progress, only you. And when things get hard, most people quit. They say, this is boring, this is too hard, I'm not smart. But listen carefully. Feeling confused means learning is working. Every strong mind was once confused. Every skilled person you admired once felt stupid. They didn't quite, that's the difference. At the beginning, learning feels slow. You don't understand everything. You forget things. You make mistakes, and your brain wants comfort, so it asks for easy content. But if you keep learning, your brain adapts. You understand faster, you remember more, you think clearer. This is not motivation, this is science. Your brain grows when you challenge it. And self education is daily challenge. This is why self education is dangerous. Because once you realize I can learn anything, you stop fearing the future. Most people fear change. Self educated people use change. New technology appears, they learn it. New opportunity shows up, they prepare for it. New problem comes, they search for answers. They don't panic, they adapt. And adaptability is survival. Let me tell you something important. The future does not belong to people with perfect grades. It belongs to fast learners, people who can learn, unlearn, and relearn. Degrees get old, skills stay useful. And self education builds skills. That is freedom. Freedom from one job, freedom from system, freedom from one path. If life pushes you down, you can stand up again. Because you know how to learn that confidence is real power. Not loud confidence, not fake confidence, quiet confidence. The confidence that says, I don't know yet, but I will. That word yet separates winners from quitters. Self education changes your identity. You stop seeing yourself as weak. You see yourself as a builder. Someone who builds skills, someone who builds value, someone who builds a future. Now let's be real. Self education is lonely sometimes. No one claps for you, no one praises for you. Your work is invisible, but invisible work creates visible success. Every hour you learn instead of scrolling, every note you take while others sleep, every skill you practice alone, that is where the gap starts. People only see results, they never see the boring days. That is why they think success is luck. It is not luck, it is learning repeated daily. Let me show you how this works. Imagine two people, same age, same phone, same internet. One uses 1 hour every day for entertainment only. The other uses 1 hour every day to learn one skill. After 1 week, no difference. After 1 month, small difference. After 1 year, one person is sharper, confident, and valuable. The other is exactly the same. That is not motivation talk, that is math. Self education compounds, slow at first, powerful later. Most people quit before the power shows. That is why few people win. But here's the good news, you don't need to learn everything. That is a mistake. You only need one useful skill at a time, just one. Something that improves your life. It can be communication, writing, technology, money, fitness, mindset. Choose one. Use free resources, pause videos, take notes, practice. Don't just watch. Do. Watching feels productive. Doing creates results. Mistakes will happen. Good. Mistakes mean learning. Some days you will feel tired. That's normal. Consistency beats motivation. 30 minutes a day is enough. 30 minutes sounds small, but small actions done daily change your life. Over time, learning becomes who you are. You don't say, I'm trying. You say, I'm a learner, and learners grow. People who grow create options. Options create freedom. Self education will not make life easy, it will make life possible. Possible to change direction, possible to escape limits, possible to become more. You don't need permission, you don't need approval, you only need discipline and curiosity. Time is passing anyway. The question is simple. Will you use it to scroll or to build yourself? Your future self is watching you right now. So decide today, what will you teach yourself next?